Hi TPS, welcome to my channel. In my previous video, you have seen how to install the WordPress. Now in this video, we will see how to install a theme in our WordPress to make it beautiful and what are required for doing that. First of all, let me log in into the WordPress. Once you log in into the WordPress, then you will find things how to upload a theme and all. So in my previous video, I have already created my username and password. So just I am logging in. Now here you will be seeing appearance. I told you like I will be discussing one by one all the things. So but here we will be discussing at first theme, which is very much important part of WordPress website. So here you have 3 themes installed by default. If you want more themes, click on add. You can find bunch of themes which are available. You can just browse through them and then with a single click install, you can install them. That's how we need to install. Before that, I want to show you few themes which I have selected at first. This is a theme, Olsen theme, which I liked it, where I have heading, paragraphs and everything, and it seems to be in this way where I get an image with some title and always carousel. It is nothing but a header carousel. You will be finding it. So it seems little bit good. We can use this. Otherwise, we can also use human. This theme, it looks somewhat like this. You have follow page, you have more option, you have one big image with a title and small images with title. Here we can have multiple options. So this is one more option which I found very much good, and also you can have this format as well. So in this video, I'll be installing this theme, human theme, so which I liked it more. To install that, just search for human. You can find it out here. What you need to do, just you need to click on install. Since it is getting installed, let's check other tabs. I already told you plugin, like extra features if you want to add in your website, we use plugins. Users, if you want multiple users to be use your website, we add some users here. So since it get installed, let us activate it. Here you go, we have activated it successfully, and let us go to home and also let us view the website. This is how it looks, your website. So now we can also customize it by clicking out here. So here you can upgrade it, site identity, tagline, use, and also you have a side icon. This icon is nothing but the icon which you can able to see it over your browser. That icon you can set it over here. So this we will be doing it. Since my logo is also not completed, we will also check which logo or this font we will be using to do that. So let us check the font, whatever here they have used. So you can search here for font, inherit. You can, so you have your search by option and all, disabling your Google fonts and all. You have colors, primary color and secondary color. You can change out these colors according to your logo. You have social media links. You can add the social media links which I found useful. We can do customizations in that way. But before that, let's go to our dashboard and let's see if there are any extra settings which we need to do. See, here we have already clicked the site title, tagline we have not inserted, and membership you can add it out or you can leave it blank. Now site language and all, let's leave it as it is. So default post category if you want to have, so you can have it here. You need to create your categories and all. Discuss these things in the next video where we create the posts and all. Okay, so default post format, standard, gallery, how you want, you can add it out. Let's go to reading. Here you have home page, what display. Some websites they need a static page like home page they have, and post for another page they have, so you can use them. So sample pages you don't have here. This theme doesn't provide that, and also I'm using blog theme that is not required. You want how many posts to be shown, you can use it over here. Coming to discussions, you have many options. This is not mostly needed. So comments and all, how much to be shown, default things. So don't change things. If you want, you can add your these things like icons and all, but keep it as it is. Media is nothing but how much thumbnail size should be your images, medium size and large size. Optimize or organize in particular folder. If you check this, now clicking to permalink here, this is very important. I don't want this day and name. I need only simply a post name. So change it out to this, and rest all should be fine. Category and tags that you want, you can change it out here as well. Privacy policy. This is the privacy policy. You can able to create this new privacy policy, or you can use this privacy policy also, which is provided by the WordPress. Just if you can't use this page, that should be fine. That's all in settings which I need to discuss. And themes, here you have many things. It was like themes, customize, widgets, menu, header. Since we have inserted one theme, so we got these items. So this is the customization already we have discussed. If we go to widgets, we have different widgets. In the website, we have different types of widgets. Footer, we have one secondary footers. We have different types of widgets here. So you can add some widgets and display some items. If you want to create a menu, you can be able to create that menu as well. In header, if you want to do any modifications in this header place, then that is also possible, what they are telling. And this is all about the theme which you are using. So you want to edit your code in PHP. Everything is written in PHP. Functions, if you go to functions, you have many things like admit and all, so you can use them. If you want any modifications, yes, you can do that in the theme editor. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, please give a like button. In my next video, we will be discussing about post. Thank you for watching.